Hi guys, Jeff here from TAT, just with a case study I just want to bring to you in regards to this Holden Cruze. So this Holden Cruze has been presented as with a bit of a poor running issue, so it's not very, performance is pretty poor. We've done a whole lot of checks on it in regards to checking different components, live data, MAF sensors, etc., to make sure that everything's working the way it should do, and everything's coming up pretty much okay. Boost pressure was good at certain times and then dropped off, and a whole lot of other things. But the common issue with these particular vehicles is that this particular part of the hose, this is an air intake hose into the turbo. So we've got our air cleaner here, mass airflow sensor, and then through here. This gets oil affected. You can see here it's already very oil affected and becomes very soft. And what happens is under certain driving conditions, that starts to suck in. So it starts to implode in on itself and then becomes very restrictive and restricts the airflow into the turbo, causing that performance issue. So again, just keep an eye out for it. This one's already very soft, so I certainly would be suggesting to this customer that we get that replaced because it gets oil affected over time. So if you get a Holden Cruze in like this particular one, check that particular part of the air intake system. They get very soft and then eventually they start to suck in on themselves, causing a performance issue. That's one of the technical assistance cases on our website, so if you remember, they're the sort of things you can find out by going onto the website and searching for particular issues on particular vehicles. So 2011, the turbo diesel engine on this Holden Cruze. So have a look at that one. If you are a member, make use of the website, go into those repair solutions. You never know, there might be a problem there, be able to help you out with a problem car you might have in your workshop. If you're not a member and you're thinking about joining, just go to the website, tat.net.au, click up the Join Up Now button, fill out the form and then join the 3,000 plus members we have sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.